Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you creative ways to upcycle the best newspaper crafts. Newspaper can easily substitute regular paper for so many projects. Give one of these creative newspaper crafts a try today. Check out these unique ideas to use old newspapers. Recycled crafts are a thoughtful way to get creative while reducing waste. Newspaper can easily substitute regular paper for so many projects. Newspaper crafts can be very decorative, allowing you to make beautiful items for your home at a very low cost. These crafts and DIYs truly highlight how versatile newspaper can be as a craft supply, from wall art and wreaths to lamp shades and even furniture makeovers. Options are limitless when it comes to newspaper crafts. Have you ever used newspaper in your crafts? What projects would you make? My favorite newspaper crafts are DIY newspaper garlands. Do you need some last minute party decor? Maybe there is no time to go shopping. Try these fun and colorful DIY newspaper garlands from the house that the designer built. Who would have thought some newspaper sheets and paint can turn into such a vibrant party garland? There are so many ideas. You can choose the best one for your own home. These amazing newspaper art and craft ideas can be used easily. One of the easiest craft supplies to find is newspaper, and we all know that it is good to recycle. I found some craft projects that you are seeing in this video made from papers that I think you will enjoy. In this video, I'm showing you the list of projects that I found and give you the more creative ideas, so you can pick the easiest and the most unique idea that you can implement at your own. You can learn how to make these newspaper crafts perfect. These are perfect for kids and adults. You are going to love these recycled ideas for decor, gifts, and more. I never really make New Year's resolutions, but I do have a conversation with myself at the beginning of each and every year, and it is always around craft supplies and how I need to reduce them. So pretty much every year the conversation is really centered around how I am going to reach into my stash before I go buy supplies. And not only that, but how I am going to reorganize my craft room and give things away that I haven't used in a long time. My stash has a lot of things I have purchased, but I also save stuff to make recycled crafts too. These supplies like magazines, wrapping paper, fabric scraps, bottles, toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, and more. So then, the goal becomes to use all those things up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in getting more ideas like these, please keep watching the videos on this channel. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.